Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer XRP from Bitget to Luno. All right, so from Bitget, go ahead and go to your wallet right here. Just hover over it and then just click on withdraw. Click on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and find XRP as your coin. XRP, click on XRP right here, and then it says select a network. So just go ahead and select XRP Ripple, and then once done, it will need a withdrawal address and a tag memo. So what you got to do is just go ahead over to your Luno account. It could be via app or web. Okay, just go ahead and go to your portfolio and click on receive. And then what you got to do is just go ahead and click on create receive address. Okay, now you're going to want to select the cryptocurrency. So go ahead and select XRP and make sure that it matches the network. Okay, it should be XRP Ripple as well. And then once that's done, you will be given a receiving address. Okay, or deposit address from your Luno account. So what you got to do is just copy the deposit address, paste that in here, go ahead and go back to your Luno account, copy the tag or memo, paste that here as well, and then just hit on next. And then in the next page, just go ahead and enter the amount of XRP, of course, that you wanted to send to your Luno account. Okay, enter the amount and then just click on send or withdraw. And that's basically it. That is how you transfer XRP from Bitget to Luno. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.